This is part 3. Oh,
Revolver. Get that.
okay.
Oh, I take all the coal. Okay, that's all my coal. I'll take all these. I'll take the silver statue. The corpse. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. It's all looted up.
Okay, let's go, go. So this is part 3. And we're still in the game.
Yeah.
And we found a lot of loot, right, bud? And I have a shotgun. Why the mannequin, bro?
Okay, let's go. Drive.
Okay. Drive, yeah, drive! Okay, stop.
We're too weak for that.
Oh, yes.
I must help in the gunfire. Okay.
Too
Think
bad.
we can handle it?
No, we can't. We have 2 little bullets, and we don't even have. Oh, Clyde, let's loot the body.
No! Bilisan mo!
Okay, go, Neil, go!
Is there a vending?
Okay, a few, just right on time, right, Clyde?
Yeah. What is it? A blood moon? Oh, full moon.
Okay, where are wolves can spawn? Oh no. Clyde! Big boyos! 2 boys. Got 2 boys.
Better shoot them with these ones. I'll be scared of you.
There's a little wolf.
I'm not getting that one. There's another werewolf.
Different. Don't waste your bullets.
Close.
Yeah.
We're at 27 meters. 27. No, something shooting at me. Okay. We're there! Wow, for the first time you guys will get 30 kilometers. Okay, we're here. That's mine. That's almost dead.
Yeah. And we keep saving his ass. Okay. Oh. Sorry. Oh, this here.
Wait, this Lucas baby. I thought it was the zombie on the floor. Please,
Sword.
metal sheet.
Metal sheet. Metal sheet. Sheet.
Metal
Sheet. Metal sheet.
Yes! Metal sheet!
Yes!
Okay.
How many?
Pick up. Get that. Get that. Wait lang. Wait, no. Is there a barbed wire? Okay, just get
What's this?
Photograph machine is useless.
Ooh. Cool. No. It's cool.
But there will be barbed wires.
Yeah, that would be so useful. Like, I have three.
You know what?
Three. Three metal sight. That's not good. Oh, shit. Metal. Here you go. Line!
Yeah, I did that thing.
Lol. Dynamite.
No!
Ooh, it was
You remember the dynamite incident?
Yeah. I can use that for you.
Yay, I wanna do it again.
No, don't. Don't. Like, literally. You will waste our money.
It's only 10.
Okay. So?
You have to heal me. Boom, done.
I should have gotten his.
Wait, we're almost gonna have our perfect building.
Clyde, there are three more, so we can just put them at the back.
No, yeah, we could just put them at the sides.
Sides and back. Soccer? No suckers.
Now we're gonna be immune to gunfire.
Yeah, but in case if they break it, we should.
No, they can break these things.
What if they get on top?
No, it's slanted.
Oh, Clyde, we need two more.
What's that?
Oh,
Actually, we need 3 more.
I have three. Here. Oh, actually, I have two.
Put corners at corners.
Yes, but
Okay, both corners are secured. Last corner.
Clyde, dito oh. Dapat.
Lucas has it.
Dapat dito. But anyways.
Goodbye. Turn off the video.